How to install SSL certificates in Plesk. This demo assumes you've already logged into Plesk. Now let's learn how to install SSL certificates. Click the SSL Certificates option. SSL certificates are used to establish secure communication channels on the Internet and for verifying website identity. Let's go ahead and add an SSL certificate. Give the new certificate a name. Make sure all of the information here is correct, then click Request. Now click the new certificate's name. Scroll down to the CSR section. CSR stands for Certificate Signing Request. Here is your new certificate request and private key, which you will need to copy and paste to an SSL vendor when purchasing a certificate. Once you've purchased the certificate, you will need to upload the file or paste it as text here. Let's return to the SSL certificates page. Now let's learn how to add a self-signed certificate. This time, click the Self-Signed button. Be aware that using a self-signed certificate will show a message to your visitors warning that the certificate may not be trusted or valid. We now have to configure our domain to use this certificate. Click Hosting Settings. Locate the Security section, ensure SSL support is turned on, and select your new certificate in the drop-down. Then click OK. That's it. The domain has been configured to use our new self-signed certificate. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install an SSL certificate in Plesk.